Today we're taking a look at this shoe rack. I'm going to tell you exactly everything you need to know about it, answer all your questions, at the very end show you how to put it together. I thought it'd be kind of complicated to put together. It literally took less than 5 minutes. And I kind of walk you through a couple of mistakes that I kind of made, and so you don't have to make them. So let's get into it. All right, so this is what they look like. I got a variety of shoes. I have some of mine. I have some of my girlfriend's shoes on here. This is going to be 27.5. Across right over here, we got 3 tiers right over here. It can hold boots. Someone asked that. So we got some UGG boots on top over here. She's a size 8 to 9. I'm a size 13. So you'll see my stuff down here. It does fit on the rack. No big deal there. And you'll see someone asked, does it hold high heels? This is a pair of high heels right over here. So the high heels can go on the bottom as well. Hard to give an exact how many shoes you could fit on here, because you could do some different things. Like if you wanted to put these on top of each other, then you could get a lot of these across over here. Definitely a different mix. For me, as a size 13 shoe, I'm gonna only get maybe 3 pairs across. So just keep that in mind. You can do boots on the top over here. These are a pair of UGG boots right over there. So definitely a lot of different variety that you could get going over here. And it does come in different sizes, different dimensions. So if you're kind of looking for something else, but this is just kind of like an idea for you. It does not require any tools for assembly. Doesn't even have any screws or anything like that. You literally are just going to take these poles, put them into these pieces right over here and kind of get this canvas going. I'll show you a very detailed tutorial at the very end of this. But if you're looking for a great shoe rack that's portable, easy to move around, assembly really easy on this one, definitely check this out. And now let me show you how to assemble it. All right, this is how we're going to put this together. Just a note, if you cut open the box, make sure to kind of do it lightly, because I kind of cut my instructions a little bit. So just a heads up there. All right, so these are kind of the pieces we're going to get here. The first part of the instructions is connect B to C, which is these 2 right here. Super easy to do. Just literally pop them in just like that. Super simple. I kind of, when I got this, I was like, oh my god, this is going to be really annoying to install. But it's going super quick, which I personally like. I'm guessing we're just going to put this in and then connect these, but stay tuned. All right, next up, this is going to kind of be our base right over here. It says to slide 2 rods through the pieces right over here. So the piece is going to be right over here. So we're just going to kind of open this a little bit, just like that, as you can see here. Then we're just going to put a rod in there. No big deal. Just go through like that. So you'll see this is exactly what it looks like. Then we're going to take this other one right over here, find that little seam. Not a big deal at all. Over here. Okay. So we're just going to kind of go like that. Oops. I'm not the best when it comes to kind of opening stuff like this. So we're literally just going to get that just like that. And then we're just going to put it through. Super easy. Not a big deal at all. And this, we're going to be good to go right over here. You'll see this is kind of what the top and bottom are going to be. You're going to repeat the process 3 times. On the second time, I kind of learned the trick to this right over here is to kind of go like this. Take your 2 fingers and kind of just loosen this up just like that. And that will open it, and then you can kind of just guide it through instead of trying to do it the way I was doing it. And then, yeah, it just goes right in there like that. Next, we're going to take this piece right over here and stick it in these 2 ends. You just, a note, this is going to be your bottom side right over here, and this is going to be your top side. So you want to just see these holes right over here. You want to make sure the top is facing up when you're doing this. So you're just going to put that just like that into there. Super easy. And then just make sure this is tight. And then we got this just like this. And this is going to be 1 layer. You're going to repeat this 2 other times because there are 3 pieces. I'm guessing we're just going to stick these in between. Let's see. Then you're going to take these D pieces right here and we're going to put them into here. We're going to do that for all of the levers. So we got them in these 4 right over here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this layer right over here, and we're just gonna line it up just like this over each other. Super easy to do. And we're just gonna lock them in. So it's hard to do this while filming. So we're gonna do one side at a time, just like that, and put that just like that. Make sure they're lined up, and then we're gonna do the same for the other. So now we have this two pieces right over here. To kind of finish this off, I'm gonna actually put the poles in the top here, just like that, because it's gonna be easier for me. And then I'm gonna put the top piece on, and then we're just gonna put slot E down here, and that's gonna be our legs to get this situated and set up. I have to be honest, I thought this would be super annoying to put together and take like, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. But in this version, I would say we're at probably about 5-ish minutes. Again, and that's just like kind of not reading the directions and just figuring it out. So now we have this tier right over here, and then we're just gonna put E right in here. Everything comes labeled really nicely as well. So we're just gonna put that, and we're just gonna take this, flip this over just like that, since it's gonna be a little easier to do that. And just like that, we are good to go. Super easy to set up. So super easy. Really like this a lot. If you are looking for a great shoe rack that's easy to put together, stores a lot of shoes, has a lot of variety, definitely check this out. This is going to be a great addition to our closet, and I could see getting a couple more of these. I could see using these as shelves as well. Really, really nice, well done. 22.7.5. You got the 3 tiers here. Not that hard at all. Super sturdy, easy to put together. So if you're looking for a great shoe rack, definitely check this one out.